Hey guys, it's Tinker, and this video is for version 2 of my GoPro Panorama project. I didn't make a video for the original because I knew it was going to change. So, let's look at version 2. So the thing I didn't like most about version 1 was the fact that I was having to hit the start button repeatedly, and I wasn't able to see all the information on the shot until I actually began. Well, now, when I hit start, I have a single screen that shows me my start, my end, the speed, the duration, and I even get this little graphic down here that shows me a general perspective of my field of the shot for the field of view. Alright, so if I change this, let's go up here and make this just a little bit shorter. I can make all these changes on the fly so that I can go back and forth between them. And it's caught right in the middle there, so we're going to set that in place. I can now change the time, and it will show me how long that shot is going to take. So if I just want to start it here, and we'll do that, we'll go ahead and hit start. It tells me to start my GoPro and when it's going to start up. And there's still going to be editing to do, but with that screen on the GoPro, I can see where I'm going to start and where I'm going to finish. And that way I avoid getting either the far end of my shop or even the house next door into my panorama as I'm going around here. So I can make those small adjustments once I have started the process. I've told it, okay, start the shot, and now I can change beginning and ending of my time. I wasn't able to do that before, and that's been just huge. So the countdown started, and now it's going through its complete countdown. And while it's shooting, it's showing me the time and the steps remaining. And that's real important if I'm going to decide whether there's enough time to run and get a beverage out of the refrigerator or not, right? But seriously though, the second thing I needed to change was the smoothness. And the ball bearings that I was using were fine. And let me go ahead and turn this off because it told me that we were done. So we're going to turn that off real quick. But I just wanted to mention these little ball bearings, that instead of using ball bearings on a rounded or a concave surface, now I've got these roller skate bearings on there, and skateboard bearings, and they work much better. I find that I'm getting a lot less jitter in my shot. In fact, what I'm going to do, let me switch views here real quick and put a shot from outdoors real quick. Okay, there we go. Now that's in there, and now you'll still see a small amount of jitter, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, it's not the beach yet, but summer and baseball, what an example, right? So when I use it for time lapse, that jitter isn't going to be a factor, and I can frame the shot from end to end. I know how long it's going to take, and I just couldn't do that with an egg timer. So life is good. We saw that when the shot is finished, you go back and you're ready to go again. It's ready to say, okay, let's just press the start, and you can repeat the process again. So it works out really great. Version 2 is just huge over what I was doing with version 1. I'm real happy with it. And in fact, I hope you guys liked it too. So if you want to build one of these, see my instructables page. And then if you also want to build one yourself but you don't have the parts, see my Etsy store, because I'm going to go ahead and put a kit up there, and it will include everything you see here except for the GoPro, or I'll even do a bare bones kit that just provides the casing and the miscellaneous parts so that you can put together your own version and have ways, but you can make all of your own changes, and that includes all of the code and everything that goes with it. So the links are below, as well as what you saw on the screen. But either way, I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me some comments, and happy tinkering.